Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what I have here. I have a frying pan and 2 eggs, and I figured I'd show you my favorite way to fry up eggs, and that's sunny side up. I'll show you that today. Now I do have a kind of a small cast iron frying pan here. You can use nonstick if you want. If you have a larger one, that's fine. I like to use kind of the size I want the final egg shape to be, but you could use a larger frying pan as well. And what I just do is I just start it off on kind of a medium to low heat, just to heat up the pan. And you're going to either add butter, margarine, or your choice of oil that you want. And so I'm just going to stick in a little bit of butter right here and let it melt. Now you can see it's already pretty much melted, but what I like to do is, well, first of all, you do want to spread it all around like that, kind of on the edges, and you want it to pretty much stop bubbling before you put the egg in, because that will just take all the moisture from the butter and help the non-stickness. With your oil, you just want to heat up the oil, make sure that the oil's heated up first. And then just, of course, crack and place your eggs. Again, I keep them kind of on a low to medium heat. Now you might notice that the whites kind of have 2 little layers. It actually has a more watery layer, as you can see here, and a thicker kind of membrane layer. I think that's called albuminum or something like that. What I like to do, because I don't like the thicker part, I like an even spread, I just use my little spatula here to break that thicker part up and help just spread it out. That'll just make a more consistent white portion of your egg. And as it's cooking, I like just to use some pepper. You can use pepper, salt, or whatever you like to top on it. I just kind of sprinkle a little bit of pepper on there, and that's enough for me. A lot of people like salt, and that's fine. And what you want to do, again, just on kind of a low to medium heat, you just want to cook it until you start noticing the edges are a little bit brown, but you're also kind of focused on the yolk portion. You'll notice, I'm sorry, I spread some pepper on it, but you'll start noticing that although the yolk is not getting necessarily cooked hard, you want it soft because it is sunny side up. You'll notice some bubbles start forming in the yolk, and that's what you're kind of looking for to make sure everything is done. I'm just kind of making sure that the edges are off a little bit. I'm going to turn down the heat just a little bit so it doesn't over brown, because you do want most of the white portion to kind of be fully cooked. Again, it's sunny side up, so the yellow will still be watery. And I don't know if you could see this here, but if you're looking at the yolks a little bit, you can notice bubbles start to form here, and that is exactly what you're looking for. That's telling you that the yolks are getting nice and warm, although not, they're not getting cooked, so they'll harden, but you do want them to be at least somewhat cooked. And the fact you're getting a little bit of bubbling in there tells you it's getting cooked. So I'm just kind of loosening it up, trying to finish up the white portion of our egg. And there you go. This is pretty much the way I like it. Just you're getting a little bit of white perhaps in the yolk, but that's fine. You still have a little bit of watery up on top of the white there, but that's perfectly fine too. And there you go, sunny side up. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.